We have taken the image from the device to edit the image here, apply and experience different filters on that image. So we will use the features in Photoshop. Also make a color on different parts. So there we are finding some designs using the structure. Also we will have some shapes into that. So there we will use the eraser tool on the surface.